Hanoi, a city caught between past and present, where ancient traditions dance with the pulse of modern life. And now, as the Lunar New Year approaches, the air hums with a different energy, an anticipation that settles into the bones of the city. Over the next days, I invite you to walk these streets with me, to feel the quiet before the storm, the warmth of friendship, the beauty of new beginnings. Welcome to my TET experience in Hanoi.
Love the delayed noise.
Dai say how you arrive sets the tone for the journey ahead. Vietnam Airlines business class isn't just about comfort, it's a shift in mindset. A reminder that sometimes stretching beyond the usual, even just once, forces you to see life differently. A small taste of privilege, yes, but also a lesson in what's possible. And yet, beyond the luxury, travel is always about something deeper. No matter how you arrive, it's what you do once you step out into the world that matters. Hanoi. I've been here so many times before, but this time it feels different. There's an eerie calm in the streets. Normally chaotic intersections feel almost too orderly. My friends had warned me that is when Hanoi empties. Families retreat home, businesses shut down. What remains is a city in waiting, like a deep inhale before the celebrations explode. Usually yan, ganitong oras, around 5, 6, 7 p.m. Marami ng tao sa labas at puno-puno yung tao yung kalsada. But right now, there are not much people, but still so many, but not as crowded as before when it's a regular day here in Hanoi. Most cases, it's really crowded, especially this part of the old quarter. But right now, it's not that much people because most of the restaurants are closed, most of the sectors. During that, the locals who are here for work or for business, but not really in Hanoi, they go back to their home city, home province. Upgrading my camera was supposed to be easy, but nothing is easy during TET as most stores are closed. After hours of searching through Hanoi's almost silent streets, I finally found what I was looking for.
Yeah, so you can see the red line here,
This
which
video
means it's
already.
recording.
Còn người ta nó hỏi trắng kim không?
Okay.
Hi. Happy New Year.
Happy New
Happy New
Year!
Year.
So that's it. Oh, it's so close because it's 18. Right?
So-
Or we can
No, you can.
change.
This is the widest angle, so you can take your hands out for a little bit. This one is the widest angle.
With the wire. The wire.
Okay.
Yeah.
With the new camera in hand, we hit the streets for a test shoot. Hanoi is perfect for this. Its old world charm, soft winter lights, and poetic details waiting to be captured. Vlogging isn't just about taking videos, as photography isn't just about taking photos. It's about seeing, really seeing, the world around you. And today, through my lens, I saw Hanoi in its most intimate, unguarded moments. The way life slows down before the new year. The warmth in people's eyes. The quiet beauty of a city on the brink of celebration. Sometimes, the best way to understand a place isn't just by visiting. It's by truly observing it. I love Vietnamese food, but after 2 months of banh mi and pho, my heart craves for something different. So here I am, in Hanoi, slurping ramen, and suddenly, I'm back in Tokyo. Thank you. So right now, everyone is going to the Hoan Kiem Lake for the fireworks for the New Year. We only have 21 minutes before the Lunar New Year. The moment the first firework erupts, it feels like the city finally exhales. This is TET, shedding of the old year, the embrace of the new. And as the reflections ripple across the lake, I think about all the places I've been, all the places I'm yet to go. As the last firework fades into the night, Hanoi comes alive in a different way. Some linger in the streets, sharing beers and laughter, prolonging the joy of the New Year's arrival. Others, moving with quiet urgency, make their way home because the first meal of the year is sacred, shared only with family. There's a beautiful contrast here, celebration and duty, festivity and tradition, the young reveling in the night while the elders prepare for the first sunrise of the year. I walk the streets, letting the energy of the city sink in. My local friend Viet invites me to the first meal of the new year.
A little dry noodle.
Sure.
Okay.
It's intimate, warm.
Okay, 5-star.
Come on. 5-star.
5-star.
There's something poetic about this moment. A reminder that no matter where we are in the world, New Year is not just about the countdown. It's about the people who welcome it to it, the traditions that ground us, and the silent promise of a new beginning. Hanoi is still in its dream state, slow and lazy. Perfect. Travel gives you places, but more importantly, it gives you people. Viet, some friends, and I bond over billiards, and for a moment, we forget the city around us. It's just the game, the laughter, the unspoken understanding between friends. In the heart of Hanoi's old quarter lies Bun Cha Huong Lien, a culinary institution since 1966. Recognized with a Michelin Guide, this humble eatery serves Bun Cha, a harmonious blend of smoky grilled pork, vermicelli noodles, and nook cham, a sweet chili fish sauce with finely sliced pickled green mango. It's a symphony of flavors that tells the story of Hanoi's rich culinary heritage. As I savor each bite, I reflect on how food transcends language, offering a universal connection to culture and history. We are just done eating here. It's a Michelin Guide restaurant. So Dan Kim. So when you come to Hanoi to come here, so nice. Yeah, there. That is shifting. Locals return. Markets reawaken. The city is thirst back to life. Oh, di ba? Isang buong community of ice cream siya. No visit to Hanoi is complete without indulging in a local favorite, Kiem Lake ice cream. Established over 60 years ago, this beloved establishment offers a delightful array of flavors that have been a staple for generations. Enjoying this sweet treat, I feel a sense of connection to the city's past and its enduring traditions. Instead of my usual coffee, I went for something different today. A refreshing fruit juice, perfect for a nice crisp afternoon air. The cafe was small but full of life, tucked along the sidewalk like a secret well known to locals. Pila tayo dahil coffee naman tayo. With my drink in hand, I strolled along Hoan Kiem Lake, letting the colors of sunset paint the sky. The lake was alive, not just with people, but with stories unfolding in every frame. People taking photos, an old man playing a traditional dembow, children giggling as they chase each other along the promenade. Sipping in between shots, I let the moment linger. Delicious. Capturing snapshots of Hanoi at its most poetic. Sometimes, the best way to enjoy a place is not to rush through it, but to sit, stroll, and simply be. Right now, we are still in Hanoi and we are going through the streets of the old quarter, and right now is the second day from TET, or the Lunar New Year, here in Hanoi in Vietnam. So let's see more about this during this season, which is the most celebrated occasion in the life of the Vietnamese people. Wandering around Hanoi during TET is such a wonderful feeling. Tara, lakad tayo. Of course, everything is dependent on your tolerance sa lamig. Sometimes it really gets so cold in here, but sometimes hindi din naman. So right now, it's kinda little cold, but a little tolerable.
Litrato. Pagkakabin kayo, madumi ko.
Today, we venture to Mega Grand World Hanoi, a sprawling entertainment complex to the east of the city. So we are currently here at Mega Grand World in Hanoi, like a mini Europe. Pwede kang sumakay ng gondola. I think 250,000 Vietnamese dong, or around 600-700 pesos. Most na pumupunta rito are locals because this is quite unique to Hanoians or to Vietnamese people because they don't have much European architecture in here like this one, and this is definitely a great copy of Europe. Nice siya, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Still holiday here in Vietnam. Marami pa rin mga tao na nasa labas because it's holiday. Today's Friday, and then meron pa silang Saturday, meron pa silang Sunday na bakasyon, mahabang bakasyon for them. So, libo tayo. With its European-inspired architecture and lively ambience, it offers a modern contrast to Hanoi's historic charm. As I explore its upscale shops and cultural exhibits, I appreciate how Hanoi embraces both its rich heritage and contemporary developments, creating a dynamic mix that captivates all who visit. So we're gonna be watching gondola in here. So the one, they're coming, the gondolas are coming. Oh, I like the sunsets. This is the usual scenery here. See in my background, there are a lot of gondolas in here. And the good thing about it, it's mostly locals yung mga sumasakay because this is really a good place for them to experience a different side of the world without being too Vietnamese. So at least without going to Europe, right here, you can experience Europe because it's like Venice, like Italy, like Paris. So pwede siyang libutan, napakalapad nitong area. So tara, samahan niyo kami. Here, Hanoians come out to enjoy the day with the family. That isn't just an event, it's a feeling, a return to what truly matters. A final adventure, street food and trains thundering inches away from our table. The thrill of Hanoi in its rawest form. here at Train Street to see the train coming again for the day. So right now, dito tayo sa taas para different point of view. It's a unique experience when you come here in Hanoi. So make sure to visit. Thousands of notes cover the cafe's walls. Messages from travelers, dreams, goodbyes. I leave my own, a silent thank you to the city, and a promise to return. So we're now leaving the cafe. It's been nice. So this is the Note Cafe here in Hanoi. So it's time to leave. This is actually 4 floors. So we came from the 4th floor. Now going down. Bye-bye, thank you. That's it. See, we just came from the coffee shop. Today is the last day we are exploring Hanoi because tomorrow we're flying out. So let's maximize this day to get some stills and to get some shots for the vlog. Today is my 4th time in Hanoi, so I've created a lot of vlogs already. Each vlog somehow has different experiences, so make sure to check them out, especially the long vlogs, because there's actually a lot of information in there and somehow a little raw and a little unedited, but still, of course, we still edit to shorten the videos. There are a lot of long videos in the vlog right now, so make sure to check them out. And make sure to give me some like and comment down below for anything that you'd like to see or anything that you'd like us to do during our travels. At the same time, please do subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming episodes. Through these culinary and cultural experiences, we witness firsthand why Hanoi is celebrated as one of the world's top culinary destinations. Each meal, each moment, offers a deeper understanding of the city's soul and its enduring allure. As I walk these streets one last time, I think about the layers of Hanoi, the chaos and the calm. The way it wraps itself around you changes you. Travel is funny that way. It starts as an escape but ends up feeling like a homecoming. That isn't just a holiday, it's a reminder to slow down, to return to what's important, to embrace change, and to welcome the unknown with open arms. This was my journey, but maybe, in some way, it was yours too. Chokmong namoy. Until next time, Hanoi. Come on!